The main genome is a natural mechanism for fighting infections and somatic diseases. By A. S. Vladico and A. S. Petkevich. All infectious diseases of viral and bacterial nature, as well as somatic diseases such as diabetes mellitus, cardiovascular pathology, oncology, autoimmune diseases, mental disorders, nervous diseases, etc., appear as a result of the process of adaptation of the organism during the transfer of genetic material from the main genome to a macroorganism, plants and animals. The main genome in the evolutionary or adaptive process of all living things on the planet is the genome of bacteria, prokaryotes, including archaea. The adaptation of bacteria themselves to a changing environment has been going on continuously at the genetic level since the appearance of life on the planet. Further, these changes from bacteria are transmitted to multicellular organisms for their improvement, adaptation to a new environment. To do this, bacteria use retrovirus-like mechanisms. In one place, a part of the genome is cut out from bacteria. In another place, in particular, into the human genome, this part is inserted. As one of these mechanisms, bacteria have a system of spacer adaptation, the CRISPR-Cas system. In this case, the bacterial genome adapted to the new environment is transferred to the macroorganism to adapt its immune and hormonal systems to new conditions. So, normally, the natural mechanism of adaptation or improvement of animals and plants is carried out, that is, the mechanism of countering the occurrence of infections and somatic diseases. Careful use of the mechanism given by nature will allow for solving the problems of diagnosis, prevention and therapy of many infectious and somatic diseases. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.